Hey, Garrett here, and we're in Princess Cays today. And this is the noisy north side. And you can see there's a beach here, a beach there, a beach over there. There's clamshells and chairs and bars and restaurant. It's like hamburgers and hot dogs, right? This is where you get back on the tender boat to get back to the ship. There are people selling stuff and hair braiding. Oh, I stepped on a piece of ice. That's probably unheard of. Welcome to Princess Cays. See, there it is. So there's even a souvenir store here. Can of sunscreen in there is $27 though. Information. So these people are in line to get back on the tender, get back on the ship. It's like almost 2. All aboard is 4. There's Jeff.
Oh, hey.
See, back to the ship. See, the line's already forming. And they're bringing food here. Oh, they're putting it back on the tender boat. See, they closed down the food. These are the tender boats. He's that guy. They just go back and forth to the ship. They're not from the ship, right? They live here, let's say. So let me go back here just a second. So north side, and there's a craft center through there. Like the south side is what we call the quiet side, and that's where I like to be. No offense. No offense to anybody. I just prefer the quiet side. So, tender dock right here. There's like a little inlet. We're gonna cross a wooden bridge here. The ground was not very hot this morning. It's getting a little hotter this afternoon. It's been in the sun all day. It was actually raining this morning. Sprinkling. That stopped. So see, there's our ship, Caribbean Princess. And aside from the noise of the ship motors, you can tell that it's already quieter over here, right? What we heard when I first came on is a band, an actual band playing live. Ooh, this wood is hot. Hot on my feet.
I ain't fucking with it.
Hey, on the go, Camden.
So I'm gonna detour out through this sand and hope it's not as hot. And it's not. So we rented a clamshell, you might say, $45 on board. If you rent it before your cruise, like a couple weeks before, I think they're about 30. And they said they were sold out, but there's a bunch of them not being used. So I'm gonna go off record here and say you might be able to make a deal with somebody in there for a clamshell for cash. Anyway, this is the Seabreeze Grill. It's like a buffet, hamburgers, hot dogs, salad. There's another one over there. The one on the north side was packed. The bars over there, lines, long lines. Over here, no line. I can see a line here all day long. It's closed now because they're bringing stuff back to the ship. There's some little kiosks here, people selling stuff. Let's walk out to the beach. Here's the beach. So it's made up of 6 or 8 of these little beaches, right, with stones to keep the sand in place. I believe most of this was man-made. It wasn't a natural beach. That's my clamshell, which means Janet's out in the water somewhere, I guess. Oh, right there waving. And Nicoletta. And other people I don't know. I mean, we're on a cruise, everyone's friendly. So there's no lifeguard beyond this point. That's a lifeguard. That's a lifeguard. That's a ship. That's a kid. This is the end of it, I think. I mean, maybe it goes on beyond that point. But see, there's chairs, no clamshells over here, but no rope either. So we snorkeled from here. We went out along these rocks and then back. If you see where the water is light, and then it turns a little darker, you can stand. Those people out there could stand up. They're like on their knees or crouching or whatever. I'll go in the water for you. This has a lot of rocks, coral. I mean, this is not comfortable on my feet already. So, from Princess Cays, on the island of Eleuthera in the Bahamas, I'm Garrett saying, Port Muggy's out. And I'll see you in the next port. Bye.